Did you know that vaginal dryness is one of the most common issues women face, but many people suffer in silence? In today's video, we'll be talking about what is vaginal dryness. We're talking about why does it happen and how to fix it naturally and safely. So stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome back to Immune Lifestyle. I'm pharmacist Awele, you can call me Farm Eve. Now on this channel we'll talk about everything women and preventive measures to live a healthier life. Now if you are seeing this face for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so that you can get more videos. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. Normally the vagina is lubricated with fluid that keeps the vagina thick and elastic. Vaginal dryness is now a condition where this vaginal lining becomes thin, becomes dry, and less elastic due to lack of natural lubrication. And when all of this happens, it comes with pain, it comes with itching, irritation. In fact, it leads to frequent urination and sometimes it leads to infection. Vaginal dryness is very, very common. 70% of women between the age of 18 to 50 years have vaginal dryness. So you're not left alone. This vaginal dryness we are talking about, why does it happen? What causes vaginal dryness? So I'll be talking about 4 of them here. The first is hormonal changes. Now, this is the most common reason for vaginal dryness because the estrogen level has been reduced. It's very, very low. Now, estrogen is a hormone that regulates the female reproductive system from menstrual cycle to preparing your uterus for pregnancy. It helps to maintain the thickness of the vagina, which leads to natural lubrication. So this can happen in menopause. At this stage, your estrogen level is so low, whereby the vagina is thin and dry. Then also after childbirth and also while breastfeeding, these stages your estrogen level is so low and it can lead to vaginal dryness. So that's all about the hormonal changes that leads to vaginal dryness. Another reason for vaginal dryness is be a lifestyle factor, from smoking, which reduces blood circulation down to the vagina and leads to vaginal dryness, down to stress and anxiety, right? It could hinder sexual arousal, which is very, very important and necessary for lubrication, vaginal lubrication. Another factor is some kind of illnesses like diabetes, uncontrolled diabetes. When you're having diabetes, it could lead to, vaginal dryness one way or the other. Another factor for vaginal dryness could be the medication you're taking, such as your antidepressant and also allergy drug called the antihistamines. So just check out the drugs you're taking. It could be that's the reason you're having vaginal dryness. Another reason for vaginal dryness is your habits, hygiene habits. Using harsh scented soap down there in your vagina, and also douching. Douching is a process of using water to wash your vagina, and it's medically it's not right because the vagina is self-cleansing, right? But doing this douching all the time could lead to an imbalance in your vagina and it could lead to vaginal dryness itself. So those are the reasons why you be having vaginal dryness. Now, how do you fix it? What do you need to do about it? First and first, you need to stay hydrated. Now, drinking water daily, like a large amount of water daily, could actually hydrate the vaginal lining. Another point is to avoid irritants and also avoid douching. Irritant, I said all those harsh or scented soaps to wash your vagina. Vaginal moisturizers or vaginal lubricants. It's better you go for water-based lubricant or you go for silicone-based lubricant. They help to replenish the vaginal lining, so make it wet, like for easy natural lubrication. Another point is to eat estrogen-friendly food, like your flaxseed, your whole grains, then also banana. They contain phytoestrogen that helps to support natural balance. And lastly, when there's a persistent dryness, always consult your doctor that will recommend some estrogen tablets or creams or rings that you can use, to replenish the low estrogen level. Another important point here, which I think I didn't mention, is that during intimacy, you should ensure that there is a foreplay, right? There's a foreplay in order to increase the natural lubrication of the vagina. Remember, vaginal dryness is very common. All you need to do is just stay hydrated, avoid irritants, seek medical advice when necessary. Definitely you regain your confidence and also you'll be very, very comfortable. So we've come to the end of this discussion. If you find this video very helpful, kindly give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section if you have experienced vaginal dryness and how did you deal with it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.